How to play Cuphead on PC with PS4 controller. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to play Cuphead on your PC using a PS4 controller. Whether you're playing through Steam or not, I'll show you the simplest step-by-step method. Let's get started. Part 1. For Steam users. Step 1. Plug your PS4 controller into your PC using a USB cable, or hold the share and PS buttons to pair it via Bluetooth. Step 2. Open Steam. Click on Steam in the top left corner. Then go to the Settings, Controller, General Controller Settings. Step 3. In the new window, check the box for PlayStation configuration support. Steam will now recognize your PS4 controller. Step 4. Launch Cuphead from Steam library. Your controller should work right away. You can also remap buttons in Options, Controls inside the game. Part 2. For non-Steam users. If you're not using Steam, here's how to do it with DS4 Windows. Step 1. Download DS4 Windows from ds4windows.com. Step 2. Install it and follow the prompts to install the VGen driver. Step 3. Launch DS4 Windows and connect your controller. It will emulate an Xbox 360 controller, which Cuphead supports. Step 4. Open Cuphead. Your controller will now be fully functional. And that's it. Now you can enjoy Cuphead on your PC using a PS4 controller, wired or wireless. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.